Hello, and thank you for joining me. For today's craft, we're going to be making this red, white, and blue origami wreath. So I'm going to start with a square piece of paper. This is 3 by 3. You can use any size paper as long as it's square. So the first thing that I'm going to do is fold this paper in half. Just like this. Since it's square, it doesn't matter whether you do it vertically or horizontally. Looks like this. Then it's open at the top, and we're going to take the outside right edge and fold that down so that the outside edge is parallel to the bottom. A piece of paper. We're then going to use that fold that we just made to line up with the bottom of our piece of paper like this. Fold it over to make sure it's straight, and we're gonna make a fold here, but we're not gonna fold it all the way to the edge. We're going to leave this little part sticking out at the edge, sticking out. Alright, we're gonna flip the whole thing over and fold the bottom right tip up to the top so that the edge of it is parallel to the top of our piece of paper. And we're gonna fold and crease that while leaving the previous part sticking out, and we're gonna fold the top left corner down and fold the bottom up, and then we've created this leaf shape like so. So we're gonna do this with 8 pieces of paper. For this wreath, I did 2 red pieces of paper, 2 white, and 4 blue pieces. You can use any color that you want as long as there are 8 of them, and they're all square. Alright, so then we're going to take these and we're going to nest them inside of each other just right there in that crease. So nest, just like that. Now I'm nesting these in, but you can also use glue or tape or something else to hold them together. But I'm just nesting this wreath together for today. So after my 4 pieces of blue paper, I'm going to alternate the white and red. And then red. White. And one more piece. After this last piece is in, just like that, I'm going to nest the edges inside of one another, completing my wreath. And ta-da, we're done. Red, white, and blue patriotic flanking wreath. Just not easy. Thank you guys for joining me, and a very special thank you to our fallen soldiers and the members of the armed forces and their family members and all that you guys do for us. Thank you, and have a good day. Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby app in order to check out our electronic materials, including ebooks and e-audiobooks. Also, please follow us on social media in order to keep updated on new content from the North Channel Branch Library and Harris County Public Library Systems. Thank you for watching.